it is disenfranchising voters who did nothing wrong. Okay, those challenges were heard by the state board of elections, and they were dismissed there. Some of them were sent to the counties, and they were dismissed there. Right. So by the time we wind up where we are, these challenges have been they were not good challenges to begin with, but they have been dismissed, and the Republican Party backing this candidate think that because they can bring it to a partisan Supreme Court. And you and I have talked about the North Carolina Supreme Court before, right? It is a partisan Supreme Court. It's not just that it's partisan in that it is elected partisan, but, let's be honest, it's got a pretty conservative, pretty partisan composition. And they just think that if they skip over the trial courts, skip over the courts of appeals, they just bring it straight to the state Supreme Court, that they'll get what they want. And what they have been doing is fighting having this case heard in federal court, even though there are real federal issues here to disenfranchising this. Why? Because they don't even want Republican appointees. They don't even want Trump appointed federal judges hearing this case. They just want it heard by the state Supreme Court. And so the state Supreme Court has put a hold on certification so that they can hear this emergency petition over the objection of two of the members of the state Supreme Court, one Democrat and one actually a very conservative Republican, who himself, even though he normally is in the majority on conservative issues, finds this objectionable.